welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys my most requested tutorial of all times, that is my messy bun. And other than that, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a few more hairstyles that I do to cope up with my greasy hair situation. So let's just begin. So the first hairstyle is my messy bun. So let's just start with it. So for this hairstyle, I'm gonna do this and then put all my hair in a ponytail like this, but we're not gonna tie them. We're just gonna twist them until we're left with no hair, and then go round and round. I just cut my hair short, so this is what I'm left with. So now I'll take a really huge and motu wala rubber band and then tie my bun with that like this. I just pull my hair like this from all possible sides, and when I'm satisfied with how it looks, I just take a bunch of tic-tac pins and then fix everything. Also, I pull some of my hair here so that it gives a little bounce. Now this is what I look like, and I also have a lot of little hair here. I'm done. So this is my messy bun, and I think it will stay there for quite some time. So this looks perfect for summers, and I feel very comfortable with it. So this was the first hairstyle, and for the second hairstyle, I'm going to show you my top knot, which I usually make whenever I'm wearing maxi skirt or maxi dresses or ethnic wear. I tend to go for the top knot because it makes my face look a little longer than it is actually, and I get very annoyed when all of my hair comes over my face, and it's just really irritating for me, so I like to keep it that way. And for summers it's just perfect, just like the messy bun. So let's see what I'm talking about. And now I'm gonna do the top knot. For that, you just need to take the middle section of the hair like so. I don't comb my hair, but if you wish, you can do that, and just make a bun just like I did with my messy bun. Just twist, then with the help of a rubber band and you'll be left with something like this, which is really funny, but I'm gonna fix it in a while. Wait. Just do the exact same thing that I did in the messy bun, and then with the help of tic-tac pins, just stick it to your head. And I'm done. Listen, I know that these hairstyles are way too easy than you expected them to be, because I am very lazy when it comes to hairstyles or even makeup or even dressing up. I get very lazy and I'm always running late. So these are my go-to hairstyles for greasy hair or running late, both. So this is pretty easy. I can honestly do all of these hairstyles in like 2 minutes maximum. And this is the final product, and I really love it. I'm very obsessed with this hairstyle. This top knot, it just looks too cute. And the third hairstyle is kind of inspired by Ariana Grande, but I'm more likely to do it whenever I wear a girly kind of outfit. But then only I'll do this hairstyle, or maybe as usually greasy hair. So I'm gonna untie my hair and then show you the next one, which is very similar to this one, but I'm gonna show you anyway. So for that, again, I'm gonna take the middle part of my hair and just make a ponytail out of it. But I'm gonna take a lot more hair than the previous hairstyle. I'll just tie all of my hair in a ponytail. And this is the third outfit. I am very much obsessed with it. It is so girly and cheerful, and basically we used to make these fountain ponytails when we were a kid. So I just love it, and I make sure that it is right in the center of my head, and it just makes me so happy, and it again makes my face look a little longer than the usual, and yeah, I love it. Now the fourth hairstyle is something that you already do and already know about, which is a high ponytail. And by now you must have already realized that I tend to go for more messy looks. So this is again a really messy ponytail. It takes 1 minute for me to do all of it. Again, I'm gonna do this and tie my hair like this in a ponytail. And now I'm gonna just pull my hair a little bit. And I guess that's it. That's again really easy and summer friendly hairstyle, and I just love it. Don't you? If all of these hairstyles doesn't fix your greasy hair, all you have to do is just do the middle parting and wear a baseball cap. And I'm sure you won't regret it. You are going to look super good. And I am obsessed with baseball caps right now. Obsessed. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and don't forget to click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a video. Till then, bye! Yeah, it's a new bye. And one more thing, my hair color is originally like that. I was born with it. That's all I can say, because I get a lot of questions related to that also. So that's it. Tips and tricks I do to be for the first outfit. Sorry. So let's just begin. के बाद क्या होना चाहिए? रुक जाओ. My hair color is originally क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? Makes oh my god, I just can't do it. I can always I just must, I guess, you know what, when I was a kid I used to walk like this. Me and my best friend Priyanka. Bye! नहीं बोलूँगी, मेरे को हाँ.